Hello everyone, this is Jazzy and you are watching your YouTube channel, The Hedgers. Well, it's our first live stream with you all, and I'll be doing more in future. And I'm from India, or I'll be using my knowledge that I have learned the hard way in this market since 2017 and 2016. Since the bull run and having the bear run as well, I have seen that bull and bear run as well of this crypto stuff. And also, the main reason I am in this market is because I was a crypto lover, and I made some good money in Bitcoin. But before that, I was doing forex trading on usually like euro, pound, and dollar. So I learned the technical analysis and the fundamentals of trading during this period of 2016, 2017 onwards. I still learn the hard way, losing money, experimenting the strategies I was making. So basically, to be honest, the reason of creating the Hedgers Academy and the community is because I want to contribute in this space. I want everyone, the new, especially the newcomers, the new batch that has been, yeah, I know, it's 100% that we come in 2017 in crypto, let's say, and there will be a bull run again, maybe like in 2024 or 2025. So in upcoming future, whenever the newcomers, new batch, or maybe after this devastating crash in crypto, maybe some of the uh, you know learners, beginners are looking to recover their losses. So I just want to help them. We are not taking your money in like in a bullshit manner, like $1,000 per month. No, it's not like that. I can understand that being a trader is really a hard job, and it's not a job. Basically, it's a business that you are doing. If you are a ethical trader, and if you are not a trader, and you are just gambling around of your savings or your hard-earned money in crypto or even in stocks, forex, that is really bad. Without any further knowledge of charts, without any further knowledge, basic knowledge even, and you are just throwing your money on baseless trades, unplanned data, and having the loss back and forth and doing revenge trading to recover that stuff. It's just stupidity and it's mental stuff. So, being in your shoes earlier, I can say that it happens, and we can help you in this, uh, in this, uh, in this way that we can contribute you the risk management, the learning of how to trade the charts, what is what could be the highest probability setup, what are the pros and cons of the charts, how you can scope a good long position, a short position in stock, forex, crypto, doesn't matter which market it is. The technical analysis and the fundamental analysis work really same in all the markets, but due to the initial stage of crypto, there is a lot of volatility and a lot of uncertainty due to some, like, the guys like Sam Beckman, and like exchanges like MTGOX, and some the nature of the cryptocurrency against the states threatening their uh, system. This is why the volatility is really high in crypto. So I prefer you to be vigilant in crypto. Follow the smart money, and it's really easy to know where is the smart money is going in the market. Either it's going in the crypto or in safe haven assets, or in forex or in stocks. You can easily track it with our methods, with our strategies that we are giving in our the Hedgers Academy group. So basically, to accommodate and to facilitate the newcomers, the beginners, the learners, the noobs in this market, we want to help them. So basically, the main reason is to creating this group. I have seen a lot of people begging for setups, the long short setups in crypto, the degenerates in this market that are gambling, and they are looking to regain their money, like recovering their to recover their losing amounts. They are just putting their money in shit coins and doing 100x leverage without knowing the risk management and money management on their positions, their margins, and just I don't know what is in their mind, like getting rich in just one night, maybe. Like, there's no shortcut. There is no fucking shortcut in life to become like millionaire or rich. So what I feel that if you follow the procedure, the process, if you stick around it for months, years, you're gonna master it. You're gonna have a really good command on it, and you can contribute it around yourself. Like, if you make it, it will come to you sooner or later. You're gonna make it, and then the process comes of the hedgers, like we are doing. We we learn the hard way. We are stubborn with the learning process. We learned, we earned, and then we are contributing in this space in the very, very, really cheap rates. Obviously, to avoid these spammers, imposters, problem childs in our group, there should be a fees. So, to maintain the decorum of the group, so that's why we are charging the lifetime, one time, only one time lifetime fees to our members for an entry in our group to maintain the decorum. To be honest, this is the main reason, because if we just allowing everyone in this space to jump on the gun, then there will be a lot of things that we cannot even handle. I have seen that in other groups, in other institutions and academies, that the misbehaving and the spamming and the imposting and being an imposter, they just try to trouble with your honest users, honest members. So we don't want this type of things to be happening in our academy. We don't want problem childs. We don't want that. We want to filter out the quality people in our group. So for that reason, we have imposed a very cheap one-time fees in our group, and that is, if I can show you, that is $500 lifetime. That's it. Nothing else. You can even pay with Bitcoin. So this is what we are looking for right now. We don't want to give you bullshit amounts like $1,000 monthly or $500 per month. No, it's not like that. We don't believe in this monthly shit. Being a trader, I know it's really hard. It's really, really hard for a trader, because market is dynamic. I understand that market is really dynamic. Sometimes it's sideways, sometimes it's just ranging in $100 and $200 range. So there's no setups available sometimes. So basically, if you are not a scalper, so you will be having trouble in that thing. I understand. So for monthly, I can understand that it's really hard to you know to pay the fees for any subscription. If you are like if you are buying some kind of software subscription, let's say online monthly basis, that's also a pain for a trader to use the online software tools on monthly basis. And sometimes the market is not having enough trading opportunities as per the global turmoil. It's happening all around the world at the moment. Since after COVID and the war kind of situation in between Russia and Ukraine, so the traders are getting affected. You know, the beginners, basically the beginners. I'm talking about the beginners, not talking about the professionals. So for beginners, it's really hard to pay monthly money, monthly fees, and stuff like that. In any case, like if you're buying a software on monthly basis, if you are buying a subscription for of anything on monthly basis, so I understand. That's why to maintain the decorum, we're just doing one time stuff, nothing more than that. And what you are getting, you are getting these setups. You are having a good opportunities with us. We are giving you detailed information about what is going to happen, the highest probability setups as per the education that we're gonna provide in our group here, learning modules. And you will be having a good base after learning the modules, and it's purely given by us, not copy pasta, nothing like that. It will be us that creating all of those modules based on our strategy. So this is a brief introduction about why we created the Hedgers, who I am, what I am doing, what I'm trying to do, why I created the group. Am I looking for money? No way. I'm earning on daily basis on doing scalping. Intraday scalping is really good for living an average life. So I'm basically just willing to contribute in this space, and I want to stay active, being an energetic and contributing the positive energy give you more more positive vibes, and it gives you more positive traits. Yes. So let's go to the charts. Let's see how our setups are going. We will talk about the DXY, the dollar index, and we will be talking about Bitcoin and S&P 500, and we'll be talking about Euro USD pair, which is really nice for me. I just spotted some nice setup in it, right? So let's do this. Removing this just for cleaning the chart. Okay, these are the internal swings and internal swing high and low. Removing this as well. And this is our first immediate support and resistance, the median of this. Okay, now sale side liquidity is sitting over here. 2-hour imbalance. If you don't know about how I created this imbalance, this is the gap between this impulsive candle, the wick to wick, the body here. This is the imbalance created on the market. This is called liquidity. So Bitcoin is going towards that liquidity, sell side liquidity, filling that imbalance. And there is 12-hour support as well here. Like I'll give you an example. Like on 12-hour, if you go here, this is the level you can see here, and I just trick there is order block. I'll make it green. Yep, like this. Too much. I don't know if the opacity is really high, right? So really nice area here. So this is the first area of interest right now. This is the 2-hour order block here, and you're having really nice resistance. We took the relatively equal highs, and Bitcoin after taking this buy side liquidity and equal highs, Bitcoin just went down almost 4.79%. That is really nice, right? If you short it, but I didn't short it there. I was looking for long. Uh, yeah, because this scalp long can become swing long as well if there is some impulsive move in the market. So after scooping a long trade, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my stop loss at entry and booking the partial profit, and I will let it run just in case if it will become a swing trade. That is my strategies always in scalping. Yeah, already took that. So I have it here. Yes. This is called the ledge between the vacuum of the volume profile. We're having three ledges here, 1, 2, and 3 volume ledges. So you see this wicks, they're taking the stop loss of late shorts and also early longs, you know. Those longing here stopped here, and those you are looking to short here stopped here. Bulls and bears are fighting in this zone. Need to flip this immediate support and resistance. If we flip it, then it might be possible. Then we can see some upside movement. But in my opinion, filling this imbalance is really a healthy move. That we can say that it's a good long opportunity. If Bitcoin did not uh, get the sign of strength in this zone, then I'll be looking for the equal lows to be taken. These two is your entries. Yeah, you can just split your position size, like split your margin into two entries, like yeah, compounding you can say, or laddering your entries. So next I'm going to find some volume inefficiencies if there is any. No, not here. pull it from this side. Now we don't have much volume inefficiency, but the volume vacuum between the ledges, volume ledges. So first ledge is here, if I can mark it. We can name it a V ledge. Okay. Right side. Okay. The POC and the ledge both POC here. Okay. And this one at our entry point. Basically this is also, you can say, volume node. The highest volume node is here, then this medium and the lowest. So these three are the ledges point. And we are above this medium ledge right now, trying to make support above it. Let's see if it holds or not. Okay, so volume, okay, yeah, value area high, value area low. You can, if you can see this blue line, this is called the value area low. So we have basically 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 confluences in this area, and yep, 5 confluences in this area for a long opportunity, including the volume ledge imbalance, 12-hour support, sell side liquidity, value area low. Yeah. That. So this is really simple. You don't have to do anything. Okay. I'm not talking about the right now overall market structure and the trend. I know it's bearish trend right now. The market structure is not even bullish at the moment. So I'm just taking these this range price action for trading opportunity. Okay. Pulling the fibs from low to high, internal swing low to internal swing high. And if you can see, we have let's do it from this point, the buy side liquidity. I'm not taking the wicks, so let's make it black so you can see it clearly. Now, yeah, this golden pocket is also aligned with our strategy for the entry point. Okay, so this is our another confluence from Fibonacci point of view. Fibonacci theory is really strong in the technical analysis. Okay, so just not a big difference, so I'll just keep it here. So basically, you can see we have two areas. One is here. Second is here. So we'll be watching the reaction on these two areas, and we'll be trading it as per the sign of strength, as I always say. And if you want to know how to get the sign of strength, so it's really going to the advanced technical analysis level, like watching the footprints, order flows, to know the coming volume in this zone, and the coming delta, a cumulative delta, and the longs and short market orders. So that's some advanced technical analysis, which you will be required to use exo charts. If you are familiar with it, we can share it in our Discord server if you want. When price come to our area of interest. Uh, Now let's talk about the dollar index, which is going really good. Clean the chart. Oh, I was looking for this point from here, that to rebound from here to the equal highs, that because it has not yet took the equal highs, which is really 80% chances to take it. So uh, like I said, there are always three area of interest in these kind of setups. First is sell size liquidity, and the second is the Fibonacci pockets, 786 and 618, 66832, and the relatively equal lows. So what happened here is really interesting. I'll show you. It took our stop loss uh, to the dollar. For safety reason, I just put it to the swing lows, which is equal lows as well, and it just take the equal lows swing failure, of the level. This is also the weekly level as well, and it bounced off. Weekly, okay, you can just give it the colors orange, or if your chart is white like me, you can just stick to the black color. Okay, that make it more visible. Now you just see this, how exactly it's respected the weekly level. Okay, deviate the weekly level, the deviation around it, and just bounce, or really nice bounce. This is really nice bounce. No one was expecting that bounce, but it happens, and I knew it. I already uh, shared it in my group that this is gonna happen. .32%. Okay, so right now it's having the imbalance here. Yep, 2 hour imbalance is being filled. You see how beautiful these strategies are respected. It just acts as a magnet for the price action, and it literally filled the imbalance. Sorry. Now what is going to happen next is, if dollar index closed, daily closed above this level, then high chances that next daily will be opening from this point, making support above it, and going to take the equal highs. Doesn't matter if it goes straight up or just zigzag, but I believe that sooner or later it's gonna happen. That it's gonna take the equal highs, or maybe deviate above it. So, but one important uh, thing is to know that whenever dollar index is bullish or bouncing or pumping, Bitcoin goes down. Okay, bear with this in mind, that this, if this setup plays out as it is, that as I am telling you, then there are high chances, the odds are really high, that Bitcoin is going to go more downside, maybe to equal lows, or maybe deviate below the equal lows. Possibly, yes. So if you are taking the long position, take it at your own risk. First of all, not a financial advisor, but you have to manage your risk and risk reward as per your position size. So if you are looking for a swing position, you have to wait for a sign of strength that is really better than uh, longing blindly in these zones. Okay. Let's club it. So you see this is inversely proportional to each other, the dollar index and the Bitcoin. Dollar index goes up, Bitcoin goes down. That's what I am anticipating at the moment. And we have a harmonic situation in dollar index as well. Let's do this. Yeah. Possibly we can just take the equal highs, deviate above it, like here. Let's see if we have any level above the equal highs. Yeah, kind of breaker block here. This is all market structure perspective that I am using the terminologies here. Okay, we will teach all of these things in our group, in our Discord. You know, breaker block. There is a bearish breaker block until it flip into support. Yeah. Meanwhile, it remained as a resistance. Could be act as a resistance until it flip into support with some nice strength or some nice fundamentals pushed, and then yeah, no monthly, no weekly, on daily. On daily, you can see we have nice support and resistance in this zone. Like here is some support, and now it can turn into resistance. So I'm just it's better to talk about it. We have a fair value gap on daily level, daily time frame. That we can also say that it's could act as a magnet for price action. Yeah. Above it, we have a bearish order block on daily time frame. I'm not marking it right now because we have already have a resistance here, so I'll be looking for some rejections or sign of weakness here. If not, then I'll be looking for let's mark it. Okay, so let's do this if you want. Okay, use one color, that is the 0.5 left labels, oh sorry, right labels. Okay, so Yeah. So this is really nice harmonic if it plays out. Uh, yeah, that means Bitcoin is really having trouble here if this plays out as we speak, you know. Okay, let's talk about S&P. Mm, selling pressure is really nice and Bitcoin futures on Binance. Okay, come on, shit. Oh, nice. I'm just taking this price action at the moment. Okay. Really nice rejection from 786 and 832. Okay, so I took it from this point to this point. Okay, for your understanding. First, we see the rejection from the golden pocket, retraced, took the um, I think there is the order block along with the imbalance in my opinion. Let's see on lower time frames like 4 hours, if I'm not wrong. Yes, here is the balance. Yeah, here we have it. Imbalance. Okay, as I already told you, that liquidity is everything, okay, in this market. Okay. Now, beautiful bounce of the golden pocket, really nice bounce towards the 786 after the rejection, taking the imbalance, making the higher low structure, higher low bullish market structure, higher highs, higher lows, taking this lower high, from, if you just ask me, these are the lower highs, and it's tried to make support above it here after retracing. That is really called the pure technical analysis of market structure and the sign of strength. That is the main reason. That's why I do this kind of technical analysis, because it helps you to understand what is particular asset or stock is trying to portray. Okay, so below it we have really big imbalance that is remained untapped, unfilled at the moment. So we're gonna mark it. Okay. Now, high chances that it gonna come down to fill this imbalance. Okay, there are high chances. The inefficiency gap. Okay, really nice. Inefficiency, volume inefficiency, pocket efficiency. Okay. So if S&P mini break this POC, the volume ledge as well, you can say, plus if we break this point, then odds are high that it's gonna retest the break of a structure, BOS, and possibly more downside if we break this, like closing 4-hour candle body, not wick, body, close below it and then rebound like I'll show you, like coming here, closing the body of 4 hour candle and then rebound, retest this ledge and come down to this. So that will be our head and shoulder as well. Bearish, breaking the structure, which is BOS. And if you measure uh, let's say the head and shoulder from the neckline, yeah, it's giving the exact major target to the imbalance, and also 786. So chances are really good that S&P is looking for some retracement before I move up. So it's a really nice setup for a short position. The invalidation is really nice, that if we break this volume POC, then this is the target, you know. And the invalidation is if we rebounds from here, take the equal highs, then it's good possibilities that it's gonna invalidate quickly. So manage your risk accordingly, okay? Because we have a unfilled gap here. Gap. Whoa. So yeah, invalidation is above it, okay? Filling the gap is not the invalidation. It's your confirmation that filling the gap and downside, okay? Anything else I'm missing here? Yeah, that's it. So if this goes down as we expected and anticipating right now, then there are chances that Bitcoin will follow it and it will go down as well, along with S&P, and dollar will bounce as it's bouncing at the moment. Now let's take a look on this pair. Wow. Nice structure. Imbalance here, imbalance here, imbalance here. Yeah, pretty nice. Doing it on daily time frame, the more uh, the effectiveness of this strategy gets stronger if you do it on higher time frames like 4 hour daily and 12 hours, like etc. The higher the time frame, the higher the effectiveness of my strategy. Okay. Oh, let's mark it on daily level. Can act as a support, or else if not, then pulling the imbalance and order block make more sense. Okay, we have a daily level here as well. Okay, so uh, volume and efficiency here. above the value area high. Not a good time, not a good thing. Too long above value area high. Never. First of all. Okay. And what I'm missing here. Mhm, mhm. Daily high, daily low. Yeah, this setup will take a lot of time to play out if as I'm anticipating it to like if we break this value area high, sorry, yeah, this one, and retest the daily, and if we bounce then it's range bound, and if not then like if we break this level, deviate around it, and then possibly we can just fill the inefficiency pocket, the imbalance, the order block, and um, taking the golden pocket, the order block, and the trend line, and really nice trade here. We can see a short and long, you know, like this. This could be your stop loss at this level. Stop loss. Swing low of this candle, the impulsive candle. Okay, your entry at golden pocket and this trend line. We have 1 2 3 touch of this trend line, and we can have a 4th touch as well. That will be nice trade towards the relatively equal highs. And if you ask me about the short trade, the stop loss should be yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, stop loss at 1.055 to minimize your loss. Okay, the reward is really nice, 4.76% almost from this point. Yeah, and if we break this trend line and this golden pocket and this daily level, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 confluences, and this trend line is our sixth confluence in this area of interest. If this doesn't hold as a sign of strength, if it doesn't hold, then high chances we are going to deviate below it, deviation below this trend line, like filling the imbalance, taking the 786 as well, taking this order block as well, and imbalance, and 786, taking the early longs, stop loss, and then bounce off, so possible. Yeah, so these are your two area of interest, like first here, second is here. Okay, So euro down means dollar will be going upside. The direction move for the daily buys for dollar index will be bullish if we see red candle in euro. Okay, like if we break this value area high, like we are above, consolidating above it, making it weaker to hold, okay, then it's high chances that euro will go down towards the daily level, retesting this neckline, which indicates that high chances that uh, that dollar index is going to retest this neckline here, the relatively equal highs, okay, because these both pairs are inverse of each other. So let's untile the selection. So if that happens, then Bitcoin will be going towards 14,900, 500 something. Yes, possible, 100%. Okay. Why I'm saying this? Because I have some confluences in that area. Let's see. Tier combo, okay. 0.5 of the range. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Look at this. Perfect range at the moment, okay? And let's find the mini range, just the bigger range, and I'll be finding the mini range here. Mini range will be here. Okay, so this is the area of interest. If Bitcoin doesn't hold this equal lows as well, then deviation for the price action will be here, our hedgers pocket, hedgers pocket, okay, inside. And that is between 15,000 to 14,500. Okay, so yes, like if we don't hold here, not here, then this bomb taking the ultimate stop losses on liquidities here. Why I'm saying this, because of the if euro and the dollar index, those two pairs goes as per our anticipation, then there is high chances then we are gonna deviation of this range, of this whole range. We're gonna deviate here. Okay, so yeah, like if you have ever heard about the three pocket setups, like range, manipulation, expansion. So this could be the case if this happens. Okay, I'm giving you all the possibilities right now. We are below this 0.5 region, and which is really bearish for me, because below it, this is called the sign of weakness. Below this, okay, sign of weakness. Okay, if I can see the weekly equilibrium, yeah, weekly equilibrium is at weekly equilibrium. Okay, just marking it for my reference. Now get back to the charts. Yep, we are between the weekly equilibrium and the 0.5 of this range, of this mini range. Okay, so this is not good price action. We are chopping here. This is pretty choppy and can break either side, okay, to the downside or to the upside, if we flip into support or if we flip it into resistance. Okay, so this is all I got now. And break of structure, yeah, already happened. This is called market structure breaker from bullish to bearish. Okay, and yeah, why yeah, let me tell you about the elite wave scenario. Let's talk about it. This live stream is going really lengthy and long. Okay. If I talk about the elite wave right now, that is going to be a lengthy topic. I'm just thinking, should I touch this topic or not? Let's give you just an example why what I'm looking. Okay, this is what I am looking right now, and for me this has already happened, the ABC of this price action, and 1 2 3 4 5 of this A, and I'm not discussing about that right now. But for the C wave, you can see for the C wave, we have some counts, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then expanded flat, we can say, yeah, expanded flat of this correctional move A, B to C, to the downside. Oh, not here, sorry, at the imbalance that I am targeting in my analysis here. You see that, this one, so 15,900 to 15,800. Okay, let's just take it here. Okay, so this is what I am looking for, the correctional move ABC. if this is the wave 2, like I am anticipating, for the wave C to the upside, if this is the wave 2, then high chances that after this expanded uh, expanded flat ABC, we can complete our count for the wave 2. Okay, because wave 2 is the corrective wave and that consists of ABC. Okay, the one is completed here. Some traders are saying that this is 1 2 3 4 5, like um like I'll show you 3 4 5. Okay, but they are ignoring the um the pennant that is being formed here. So for me, this is really important. You know, this pennant, we have a retest of this pennant. It is really, uh, I can say, technical price action and really valid chart pattern. So if this is the triangle that has been validated by this retest and having the impulsive uh, breakout after the retest, so this is the 4, because 4 is consist of the uh, complex price action having the pennant and symmetries, usually hypothetically. Okay, so if this is the case, then this is the 4th wave. So that's why I am sticking with my count of this 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I'm not counting this as 1 2 3 4 5. No, I'm not counting it like this because of this structure. Okay, instead I am when it took the relatively equal high and deviate above it, I am counting it as a expanded B. Okay, flat, expanded flat corrective wave. Okay, I will teach you about the elite wave um, in our group, in our Discord group. We really have a good literature on it, on these expanded flats, regular uh, flats, and so diagonal and zigzag, etc. So in this case, if this is the elite wave 1 2 3 impulsive up, then it has to complete the Fibonacci retracement of this wave 2, which is uh, lying at 15,800 and 900 as per the Fibonacci theory. Okay, let's measure the C wave from this expanded move. Okay, um, scalp. Okay. Yeah, oh shit, exactly to the dollar. Wow, very nice, really nice. So there are two possibilities right now as per the elite wave perspective. Okay, I'm not talking about my this strategy right now. I have already talked about it. Now I am just talking about from the elite wave perspective. So if this is the case, then wave 2 is completed here. Okay, if this is the case, else we have some at 15,878. This could be our last resort for the wave C. Okay, so if it doesn't hold here after this choppy price action, if this breaks to the downside, then I'll be looking for 886 to scoop it up, and that is a point where we can say that our sell side liquidity is being tapped here. Okay, along with the let's yeah, along with the imbalance all also get filled, and this sell side liquidity and wave C target has been accomplished if this retraced to the exact dollar here. Okay, so then I can say that this is chances of the wave 2 and wave C of this corrective move is completed, and we can see some move to the upside as per the elite wave theory. And this is really I'll tell you that it's invalidated really quickly, so to just take it as a confluence always. Okay, don't take it for granted, like don't stick to it only, use it as a confluence to your analysis. Okay, use it as a confluence. Okay, so that's all for now for today's live stream. I'll be with you in the next live stream tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Until let's see how all these setups, all these technicals play out, and monitor everything as I teach you in this live stream today. And thank you so much for your support, everyone. And I promise you that we're gonna do really big things in this space. I have a lot of plans with me to brainstorm this space, mark my words. I'm really stubborn with my projects. I started this academy and I'll pursue it as a career. Take care.